Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making something delicious, quick and super easy, Nigerian buns. These buns are crunchy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, just like the ones sold on the streets of Lagos. So let's get right into it. And here is what we need. I'm using self-raising flour. Feel free to use all-purpose flour. I'm going to be using sugar, salt, baking powder, a pinch of nutmeg, totally optional but add great flavor. We're going to need butter, substitute that with margarine, and we're going to need one large egg, liquid milk, and then our vegetable oil for frying. Now, in a large bowl, mix all the dry ingredients, which is the flour, the sugar, the baking powder, the salt, and the nutmeg. Give it a good stir to combine everything together. Now add in your margarine or butter, whichever one you're using. Use your fingerprint to mix it until it forms a crumbly texture. Now you can then crack in one egg and pour in your milk, which is, I recommend 1 cup of milk. 1 cup of milk is the main measurement for this ingredient. But I went ahead to add a little bit of milk because I don't want it too crunchy because of my children. I want it a little bit soft, okay? So mix it, and when it is really, yeah, when it is this consistency, then you are good to go because you are looking for a thick, scoopable batter, not too runny, not too stiff. If it's too thick, you can add a bit more milk or water, okay, or water, because we don't want it to be too runny. Now I'm going to test it with a little bit of the batter to see if it rises, then it means it is ready. Yes, voila, it means my oil is ready, and then it is time to start frying. Okay. After heating up a vegetable oil in a deep over medium heat, okay, make sure it is over medium heat, okay. The oil should be hot but not smoky. Okay, so scoop your butter with a spoon or your hand and carefully drop it into the oil. Fry in batches, don't overcrowd the pan. Turn them occasionally so they cook evenly on hot sides. You want them golden brown and cooked thoroughly. Once they are golden and crunchy, a little bit of your choice, remove them and place them on a paper towel if you want to drain excess oil. I kept mine in safe so that it can drain. Look at how beautiful these are. Yeah, these buns are best to enjoy warm with a cup of tea or chilled drink. Perfect for breakfast if you want snacks or even small chops at parties. You can store leftover in an airtight container and reheat when needed. That's one thing about buns. And there you have it. Delicious Nigerian buns made right at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty Nigerian and African recipes. Now, what snack should I make next? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching to this recipe with me. See you in the next video. Bye.